2 plus square root of 3 times 2 minus square root of 3. Difference of two perfect squares will be 2 squared minus square root of 3 squared, which is 4 minus 3, which is 1. Square root of 5 minus square root of 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 2 will be square root of 5 squared minus square root of 2 squared, which is 5 minus 2, which is 3. 1 plus square root of x times 1 minus square root of x is equal to 1 squared minus square root of x squared, which is 1 minus square root of x. To rationalize 1 over square root of 2, we're going to multiply the fraction by square root of 2 over square root of 2, which is really 1. Then the denominator will be rationalized. The numerator stays square root of 2. The denominator becomes square root of 4, which is 2. To rationalize the denominator, 7 minus square root of 5, we need to multiply the fraction by 1, which will consist of the conjugate 7 plus square root of 5 over itself, 7 plus square root of 5. The numerator becomes 3 times 7 plus square root of 5, and the denominator a difference of two perfect squares. 7 squared, which is 49, minus square root of 5 squared, which is 5. 3 times 7, 21, and 3 times square root of 5, 3 square root of 5. 49 minus 5 is 44. To rationalize square root of x minus 2, we're going to multiply the fraction by square root of x plus 2 over square root of x plus 2. The numerator becomes 3 times square root of x plus 2, and the denominator a difference of two squares, square root of x squared minus 2 squared. 3 times square root of x plus 2 is equal to 3 square root of x plus 6 divided by square root of x squared, which is x minus 4. Let us simplify square root of 8 first before we rationalize the denominator. If we understand 8 to be 4 times 2, square root of 8 is equal to square root of 4 times square root of 2, which is 2 square root of 2. So the problem is really 7 over 2 square root of 2. The rational part is square root of 2. So we're going to multiply the fraction by square root of 2 over 2. And it'll become 7 square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 2 squared, which is 2. So it's 7 square root of 2 over 4. To rationalize 3 over 1 minus square root of 7, we're going to multiply the fraction by 1 plus square root of 7 over 1 plus square root of 7. The numerator becomes 3 times 1 plus square root of 7. And the denominator, because we are multiplying two conjugates together, 1 squared minus square root of 7 squared. So it's 3 times 1 plus square root of 7 divided by 1 minus 7, and 1 minus 7 is -6. Therefore, our answer will be 3 over -6 is -1/2. So our answer will be 1 plus square root of 7 over -2, which simply means -1/2 times 1 plus square root of 7. We're going to multiply the fraction by square root of x plus 3 divided by square root of x plus 3. Square root of x plus 3 is the conjugate of square root of x minus 3. Numerator becomes x times square root of x plus 3. The denominator, square root of x squared minus 3 squared. X times square root of x plus 3 divided by square root of x squared, which is x minus 9.